Well, thank you very much. Time now for the weather from Jen Bartram. Jen, what we got?
Well, it's not looking too bad this weekend, Jeff. It's been a bit mixed today, though. We have had a lot of cloud around and some pretty brisk winds, which were whipping up the sea here in Hartlepool, also whipping up the sand from this picture in Druridge Bay sent to us by Lynn. She said it was all getting in her face, all getting in a dog's face as well. A really bad idea to go to the coast. The good news is, if you're going tomorrow, it's going to be a much better day. The wind's much lighter. It's going to be sunny and warm, but we are expecting a few showers on Sunday. This is the pressure chart into the weekend. You can see high pressure building. That will keep everything nice and calm, but a few showers could get going through Sunday, and some of those could be heavy and thundery. We'll get to those in just a second. This was the satellite from earlier today. You can see that there have been some breaks in the cloud, but there has been quite a lot of it. And as we head into this evening, some clear spells following on, a little bit of cloud still across parts of Cumbria, but in general a dry night with temperatures dropping back to between 5 and 8 degrees Celsius. Now, first thing tomorrow morning, plenty of sunshine. It's going to be a lovely start to the day, and in fact not too much going on at all. A little bit of fair weather cloud developing through the afternoon, but the winds will be light and the sunshine will lift the temperatures up to around 18 or 19 degrees Celsius. So really feeling quite pleasant through Saturday afternoon. That will extend into Saturday evening as well. Plenty of dry weather to come. You can just start to see those showers, though, starting to edge in to western parts of Cumbria as we head through Saturday night into Sunday. But another mild night, temperatures not dropping much lower than around 10 degrees in a few spots. Now, Sunday is looking a little bit mixed. We'll have a lot of sunshine once again, but a little bit more cloud, and that could spark off a few of those showers that we mentioned. They will be hit and miss, but where we catch them, they could be heavy and thundery. These are the temperatures on Sunday across Cumbria, up to 19 degrees Celsius. But you'll notice across the northeast, those temperatures coming down a little bit, and that's because we're starting to pull in an easterly breeze. So if you're in the northeast going to the coast on Sunday, it is going to be quite windy once again. Here's the pressure chart as we head into the start of next week. You can see quite a few isobars on the charts, a few weather fronts and some areas of low pressure. So it is going to be a little bit mixed into the start of next week, but certainly for the weekend and definitely for Saturday, it's looking lovely, Jeff.
Very nice.